The EMA 50 truly is as of now at $0.001 in an especially significant manner. The $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar in every practical sense is major areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. SPEL United States dollar certainly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00960990 in an unobtrusive manner. Bears control SPEL's truly current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 30 October 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through basically SPEL genuinely token cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for basically SPEL token, essentially is truly SPEL a kind of wise interest in a truly significant manner. SPEL commonly token help and opposition levels and so on, which essentially shows that the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar for the most part is areas of strength for truly, fundamentally is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the SPEL specialized examination, sort of allowed us certainly to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there by and large, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,276,444,521,247 in an especially enormous manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $33,863,355,643 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Bitcoin shares 52.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,555.20 level after a vertical development of 0.98%, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.34%, coming to $1,813.34 during the past 24 hours, essentially further appearance how the EMA 50 explicitly is right now at $0.001 in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.86 and as of now exchanging at 56 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market by and large is going in an exceptionally descending course for present moment, showing how for the most part SPEL extremely token help and obstruction levels and so on. Which explicitly shows that the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar truly is areas of strength for truly, so they explicitly thought. Right now, a very broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very significant manner. SPEL exceptionally token help and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar especially as areas of strength for truly, in every way that really matters, is very critical. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become in every practical sense all the more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that right now, a very broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an extremely huge manner. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move essentially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very huge. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of explicitly spell pretty token, spell, really spell genuinely token execution. The cost of explicitly spell truly token, spell, basically is at $0.000869994, down 1.69% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week, or so they generally thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while especially absolute market cap came to 89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the spell specialized investigation, especially let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they especially thought. There essentially are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell exceptionally token value examination all things considered, spell cost investigation for 30 October 2023. Inside a truly everyday time period by and large made sense of beneath, showing how spell United States dollar truly is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009609 in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal union and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to in every way that really matters, break down the future development of the spell token. Extremely further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. While Spell's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange pretty sign especially is in every way that really matters, conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $228.02, following a value change of 1.03% inside a similar time period, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The spell United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity MACD marker generally is demonstrating an especially momentary sell really signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath lovely sign line which generally implies generally bears fundamentally are ruling on the lookout, showing how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. Or so they by and large thought. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may explicitly track down help at these critical degrees of $0.0008229, $0.000746995, moving underneath these levels, could carry the cost to $0.0006849, which sort of shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. On the essentially opposite side, the obstruction levels generally are at $0.0009609 and